Mamelodi Sundowns have confirmed the signing of Portuguese midfielder Miguel Silva Reisinho on a 2-year deal. The former Boavista midfielder joins his compatriot Nuno Santos as Sundowns' two marquee signings of the recently concluded transfer window. With the 26-year-old being signed as a free agent, Masandawana will be able to register him outside the window period and comes as an exciting addition to Masandawana, with Miguel Cardoso now hoping for consistent results. Reisinho has played for Portugal at youth levels, with Portugal under 18, under 19 and also under 20. Signing comes as a very big signing for Mamelodi Sundowns to be able to sign a player of his quality on a free transfer. We know that Mamelodi Sundowns don't usually sign players on a free. So for them to sign him on a free, there's something that they saw, and also this is a great signing for them. So remember, Nuno Santos and also Miguel Reisinho, they've been signed to fill the gap that footballer of the season Lucas Ribeiro left when he left Mamelodi Sundowns. And that big gap, it seems like now it's going to be filled by two Portuguese players. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mamelodi Sundowns signing Miguel Reisinho? Do you think that this is a good signing? Let me hear your thoughts down below. And with the window closed, it means Mamelodi Sundowns have officially signed 4 players: Nuno Santos, Fawaz Basedin, Ntsiki Ntsabeleng, and also Miguel Reisinho. So let me hear your thoughts. Are you impressed with all these signings that Mamelodi Sundowns have done? Do you think that these signings are enough to lead Mamelodi Sundowns to another league title and also to fight for that CAF Champions League? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.